Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherifat, and on my YouTube channel, I share my experiences about life in Canada. It's been over 5 weeks since I last made a video on my channel. I didn't even realize it was that long until I checked yesterday, because I had plans to put up this video. I'm so sorry for my old subscribers, and thank you to those of you who reached out to me. I'm really appreciative of that. I got really busy. I'm sorry that I didn't announce ahead of time I was going to take a break. I got really busy with family, my day job, my business, Green Tulips, immigration and consulting services. I've been productively busy, so it's a good thing. Anyway, so this video, we had our first snowstorm in Nova Scotia 2 days ago, and I thought to share my experiences about that. How we spent our first winter snowstorm this year. So I thought to share that with you. Come along with me. So before I go on, let me also thank my new subscribers who joined during my leave. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you've been having a nice time on my channel. My past videos. Thank you. I welcome you wholeheartedly. And thank you to my old subscribers who have stayed till now. Thank you so much. And I hope to give you more, interesting videos and show you more about Canada and, how we live here, particularly in Nova Scotia, where I reside. All right, now, so I'll show you how we spent our first snowstorm in Nova Scotia 2 days ago. Let me check the deck. Yes, you can see cover on the snow. Oh my God, look at that. Maybe things are able to open. Open this door. Let's try. Yeah. Okay. Open. See the length of the height of the snow. See. Just take a look. Just take a look. Look. It's winter. Even though winter officially starts December 21st, today is 8th of December. This is our first major snowstorm in Nova Scotia. Look at that. School has been cancelled. So schools was cancelled on Thursday, December 9th, because of the snowstorm we had the previous day / that day. Most times when we have a snowstorm like that, they always cancel school. Some people have reservations about this, but it is what it is. If government says schools are cancelled, who are you to say no? So even private schools, right? Once they see public schools are closed, so most times, the much I know, they also close as well, right? And when it comes to school cancellations, it's not usually, Canada-wide. I know that some provinces don't cancel school on snowstorms like this we had 2 days ago. It has to be really severe before they cancel schools. One of my friends they had a snowstorm in Ottawa, in Ontario, some days before us, and they didn't cancel school, even though they canceled school buses. And they were like, if you're able to take your child to school, you're free to. Schools are opened, but school buses are not open. Though for me, I have my own personal reservations about you saying school buses will not run because the roads are not safe enough for the school buses. Then why, ask parents to take the kids to school if you think that the school buses that, look even more solid than regular cars are not, able to ply the roads during a snowstorm, then why make parents go to school? So I don't know. That's my own personal opinion, but everybody, they have their own reasons to say that, right? Though personally, I also don't support the total cancellation of schools. I think that since we are aware that a snowstorm is coming, they should make provisions for online schooling for that day instead of having outright school cancellation altogether. See how much it is. So I'm putting my leg inside. This is my my son's boots, though. See the height of the boots. See how deep it is inside the snow. Everything is inside. All the boots inside. That's saying how much how tall it is. Just take a look at our parking lot. See how much snow there is. I don't envy my husband this morning because this is a lot of work. A lot of work. My son was likely going to join him. See how much snow. Just see. It's our first major storm this year, or this winter, I should say. Oh boy. See how much. Welcome to Canada. Oops. It's not so cold. The thing is with snow is when it snows, it's not usually very cold. I don't know if it's me that feels this way. It's not very cold when it snows this much. Especially if it's like this fluffy. So it's all this fluffy. It's fluffy. It's not the one I eat is the ice. So it's fluffy. So it's cold. It's okay. The kids are likely to play in the snow this afternoon because there's no school. So they wear their snow boots, snow pants, and go play in the snow. Oops. Now, this is one of the downsides of work from home. Even though school is cancelled, but work from home is not cancelled. As in, it was when I was working in the office now. And when the school is cancelled, it means that the roads are not motorable, they're not safe enough. So I also don't go to work. For this one, I'm working from home. What will I tell my boss that? Okay, snowstorm is also affecting me in my house. So that's one of the downsides of working from home. But it's all good. I still love it. It has more perks, downsides. So I'm starting work by 9 today. So yeah, I'm about to start work now. Start by 9 a.m. Just a few minutes before 9. I'm gonna log in, then I'm hopefully gonna make a very quick breakfast. And then I start. And for this snowstorm, I'm going to be having a cup of Milo and milk. Not so cold, but I just like to drink like hot stuff in the morning to keep myself warm. This is my breakfast for today. Do not judge me and my big bowl of rice. I won't have lunch after this one till supper. I mean, in supper, something light I'll eat most likely. When I eat something heavy like this, I didn't eat last night. So I woke up very, very hungry. So yeah, I am with my food. People are still sleeping and it's already past 9. I'm logged in for work already. So I'll be eating my food while I'm working. Yep. And there you have it. One of the big cons of snow is when you have to plow the snow, like clean up the snow from your driveway, your stairs, your house, and everything like that. It's a lot of work. So that's my husband cleaning up the snow. It's not easy at all. Like, I don't even envy him when he does this. Sometimes my son joins him, but on this day, it was just him alone because the kids slept in longer because there was no school. So he didn't even, have them join him or Nabil join him. So it was just him that did all the cleaning. That's my husband cleaning up using the machine. See how it's bringing out. That's my husband using the machine, or what's it called, the blower, the automatic blower to clean up, to clear up the snow. That helps, helps it clean faster, even though it's still not easy, but it's faster than the regular manual one. See how tall the snow is. See how tall. It's really a lot to go. The weather report said there was about 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. I'm not sure if this one was that much, but it was quite a lot of snow. Actually, it was quite a lot. You can see it. See the heights. In case you are wondering why I'm not cleaning the snow, I'm sorry, it couldn't be me. If I was single, honestly, I would hire people to help me clean up. I did it once and I know how much, what the effect was on my body. So I just wouldn't even bother at all. Even my husband, so to be fair to him, he also has body pain after doing it. But I mean, I'll say he's stronger than I am. We have our strength for various things. I do other things while he does this. So that's why, because you're wondering why she's not joining him. No. Okay, you're blowing it. Hey, if you can eat, pump. Getting ready for What's it called again? Snow was now?
Snow, like
sledding, yeah.
Snow tobogganing.
Fiza is so happy. She's been looking forward to playing the snow.
Good job.
So we had our first snowstorm in Nova Scotia today. So the kids are getting ready for their first winter snow sledding. These are sled 1, sled 2. And we have the snow pants right there. We have our hats and the boots and the mittens right there. So these are like the tools needed for snow sledding. So they're getting really excited. So here we are. It's our first snowstorm this winter in Nova Scotia, Canada. Yeah. Okay, you ready for the snow sledding? Yeah. You excited? Feels like you excited? She's been looking forward to it since. Okay, you guys ready? You're fully kitted.
Okay. Stand up.
You can stand up. No, wait. Nabila, wait.
Wait, stop.
Feel it. Did they?
I need help.
You need help? Okay. Yeah, up, my love. Good.
Here I come.
Yeah, Nabila comes. So here I am. I'm going to join my kids at the back here for snow sledding. I told them I was going to join before, but now I just changed my mind. I saw them in the snow and the thing, enticed me. So I'm going there to join them. Let me try this. Where does it go? Yay!
This slide.
Yes, I'll take that one. Look what we have up here. What did you say?
The wind is blowing that down.
The wind is blowing down. Keep coming. You're almost here.
I can help that. Yeah.
You're almost here, baby. Yeah.
I'm gonna do like a turtle too.
You're almost here. You're doing it. Good job.
I'm trying.
Wow, the wind is blowing the snow.
We're going closer.
You're going closer? Yeah, you're almost here. Good job.
You're gonna make it.
Yeah. Look who is almost here. Fusa is almost here.
All the way here. I want to try to slide.
Okay, for sure.
Finally, you got up, Hilda.
Yes, you did.
Nobody.
Did it all by herself. Good job, Fusa.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're all
No,
here.
close up.
Mommy! Wait. Before we start. Okay.
Was that fun, Fusa? Again. Nabila's done. Okay, Nabila. Okay, go and do it again. Yes, after Nabila, then Fusa again. So slippery.
Mommy, to the snow. Go to the side. On that side. I can climb this the stairs.
3, 2, 1.
Was that on purpose?
No, I tried to save you. I tried to save you from like level.
Oh no, I was away from her. Ooh, was that fun?
Yeah.
Oh, bye.
This is my mom going up. Go, go.
I'm not looking at you.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna go next. Come on.
Go to the other side. Yeah, go to the side.
My break is over. Bye. See you later. Bye. See you. Be safe.
See you.
Yep.
Watch out. Okay, tell Fia to go to the other side.
I'll go to this side.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Woo!
Woo!
No. No.
I'm taking a video of you.
Ooh. No.
Let me see the book you're reading. The title. No, don't block it.
Let me see. Let me see, mommy.
And afterwards, the kid came inside, read books, have some playtime, and Nabil went to the library because he had some things to research on, and the printer at the house had ink issues, so he went to the library to complete his research and do some printing while the girls stayed at home with me to read books, and watch TV and just, cool off, enjoy the day while I round up my own work. It was really a fun day. It was a day well spent, I would say. Yep.
Okay. Is everybody ready?
Did you enjoy your snow day today?
Yes.
Was it fun?
Yes. It's also cold.
I know it's cold. It's a bit chilly.
Oh dear. Peppa has forgotten Teddy.
Mr. Library, put your leg outside. How was the library? Good. What's that? Go lower.
No,
Is it now cheap? Is it now free to print in the library?
I guess.
Before it was $10.
Yeah, so.
So how was your research? What's it going to do?
Research.
So why are you wishing?
Yes. So does this?
I bet it's borrowed.
Yes, yeah. So yep.
This is what it looks like after cleaning. Okay, now. Oh, clean. Clean. Okay. See how long our driveway is. I'll tell you how much work Abdul did yesterday. See all the way. See all the way. See how much work. See the heap of snow. And that's it. See how much work he did. See. We have a very long driveway. All the way. He cleaned all the way. Our neighbor right here could not be bothered with snow. He left the snow. See? He didn't bother to clean it at all. Though in fairness to our neighbor, he does not have a car. He just moved here, a few months ago. So I assume he's single or his family members have not joined him yet. So since there's no car parked in his driveway, he probably thinks there's no need to clear the snow. So he just leaves it there. Sun or rain would wash it off somehow. But because we are a family, we have young kids, we cannot afford to leave our driveway. Like even to start with, how we would drive off. That's one. And then two, we have young kids. It's safe that you always clear your pathway, your driveway. Can it be kids? Because when you fall in the snow, it's not a good experience at all. Some people break their leg bones when they fall in the snow. So it's good that at least you clear part of your walkway or driveway very well to allow for easy passage. Though I'm not happy that it did not clear his his driveway, because when I want to reverse, I always reverse in front of his own driving lot. But now I have to reverse to come out of the driving lot, and it's a lot of work. I'll show you an example of what I'm talking about. This is exactly the snow. Now I have to. Oh my god. It's reversing.
Cleaning the snow.
You know the man doing this now. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I see the man. It think we're shovel. It think we're shovel.
That's our shovel. Oh, finally.
This
Thank
is
you.
our shovel.
But even the floor is a bit slippery. Yes. And the bridge itself, even without the wind itself, makes the car. So while driving after a snowstorm or when there's snow on the floor, you have to be very, very careful. You have to drive very cautiously. Give a lot of room in front of you. So don't stay too close to the car in front of you. Because the roads are slippery, right? Your brakes, the time you take the brake to respond might take it longer than it normally would. So give that allowance, and when you are driving, be very careful, be very cautious. Be at alert, when you're driving after a snowstorm. So, you see everybody is driving very carefully. So if the speed is, say, 70 kilometer, you can do 60 or even less than that, just to be careful. So you don't skid off the road or skid off, off your lane, because honestly, during snow, there's a lot of accidents on the road, and insurance would not, say because it's a snowstorm, then they will allow you to just let go like that, and you wouldn't get a repercussion on your premium, for example. So you have to be very careful, so you don't incur loss. Well, aside even insurance and claims, people's life is important. So your own life is important, so people around you. So just be safe, so nobody gets hurt because of a snowstorm and because of your carelessness when you're driving. Sometimes it's not about carelessness. Sometimes it's just not being familiar with the terrain, especially for newcomers who are not how will I say it, familiar with driving in the snow. So you have to be very, very careful. Even people who are not newcomers, driving in the snow is not a good experience. It's not something that some people enjoy do. Some people rather take a bus or even cab than drive when there's a snowstorm. So that's why sometimes they even cancel school to avoid for any injury. So people driving or walking don't fall or get hurt, or because they are going to school.
Where's the police?
Yes, that's the police right there. It was right behind me. In this Halifax, you have to be very careful, because you never know where a police car will come out from. I think I was driving anyhow in front of him now. I can park him in there.
No. The police
The police can just come at me from anywhere.
The people.
Can just come out from anywhere.
The people.
See the snow on the roads. A day after a snowstorm in Nova Scotia. See the snowbank.
Meaning the people is the police.
The people is the police. Yes. Police are people like you and I. Yeah, you're right, my love.
The people.
If I'm to be honest, I sometimes like the beauty that snow brings, the whiteness. Look at all the snow, like all the whiteness. I enjoy that sometimes, So I just see that, everything has its good side and its bad side. Look at the trees, the whiteness. Sometimes the trees will be so white, like so beautiful. So I love that about winter, about snow, I should say. So for me, I just enjoy every season. I try to make do with what I have. If it's summer, I enjoy it. If it's fall, I enjoy it. If it's winter, I enjoy it. If it's spring, I enjoy it. And the good thing about Canada is there's always something to do at every season. So just look it up in your community, in your province, in your city. Don't just let the season go by like that. Just make do and make the most of every season. I always, I'm very intentional about things like that. Even though most times in winter you feel very, very weak. Like me in particular, I don't know if it happens to other people too. Winter makes me weak. It just brings down like your morale is just a bit low. Your spirits is low. So you have to be like intentional about being lively, being social, even during winter. So I try to do that. Our family, we do that a lot. We try to go for outing. Like this time now, I've had like almost every weekend. There's always one event or the other we are going for, even though they're always indoor event because of the cold. We cannot afford to do outdoor anymore. But even the indoor, we try to maximize it. This is what breakfast looks like a day after snowstorm. That's some toasted bread and fried egg. I like my fried egg buns that way. And this is it. I have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comments if you have something to say or ask. I'd really appreciate your engagement on this video and on my other videos as well. So for snow as well, for winter, I try to take a lot of pictures, to keep ourselves, to keep memories, right? I love to archive my memories. So, I can always look at this picture. Sometimes I'm like, oh, wow, look at that. Like the ones we took last year, my kids have grown. Like the difference between their heights, their, size now, it's just so unbelievable. So pictures helps me to do that, and videos as well. When I see old videos and I compare it to now, it makes me, full of gratitude. Anyway, I've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share if you have somebody that you think might enjoy it. Thank you and have a great time. Take care of yourself. Bye.
2 days after snowstorm. See the rain. Oh, rain. Ah. Rain. Woo. 2 days after snowstorm. See the rain. She left me, Basha. No, open this one. I have to turn around. Oh my God. Woo. Came to my friend's bridal shower, baby shower. The rain today. Gonna need part 2. The lot. And the rain is cold. It's not like Nigeria rain. This one is, the weather is cold. Now the rain. Cold water in your head. Yeah. Oluwa. Yeah. See the rain. Yeah. See the rain, yo.